So what's up guys, today we are gonna play The Cook. Let's start. This a salad, okay. Okay. No, not a dragon fruit. Okay. Let's cut it. Oh yeah, smooth and nice. We are gonna cook it. It's not sorry about this. What is this? Wait, I am gonna check if I am on the oh my gosh. Okay, no Wi-Fi. That's more like it. We're gonna go and come again because we don't need any ads. The Cook. A stew. Same thing. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. We are a cook. We are gonna cook it. I want it to be nice. Okay. Let's put it down. Barbecue sauce, pepper, and this thing. Done. Come on. Okay. She loves it. She loves it. That's her goal for this episode. This guy right here gives you presents. A stew again. Okay. One, and one. Oh, I don't know what the heck did we do. We got a meat. Let's see if he likes it. A meat salad. Okay, fantastic. Yay! This looking thing is peppers. So make sure to go watch our Seeing My Friends Chocolate Nether. It's pretty funny. It doesn't have sound, sorry about that, but you can see it. What? Not what you expect something else, good sir. Lose it. So this guy right here is the Chef Mizotto. I call him Chef Mizotto. Wait, market unlock. Let's unlock a random. Oh, nice. I think this. What should we choose? This is cool. I think this. Let's try this. The new one. Okay. Start a smoothie. We don't. Oh, we have eggs, but we are gonna do a fruit one. And a strawberry. I don't need dragon fruit. Oh my gosh. Okay. The chef needs to be perfect. Oh my gosh. Let's choose the big old boy. Wait, this guy right here is coming next. Okay, weed. Oh my gosh. My luck is like 0 on this. So you saw this game. If you want more, make sure to like and subscribe and and like for more the cook episode. See you guys on another video. Bye.